forget to subscribe and like. So Kenneth, do you know what's our topic today?
I think I know so much.
Me too. It's science! Okay, now we're connected to Professor Kimberly and to Professor Kenneth.
Kenneth.
Now you're with Professor Kimberly and Professor Kenneth.
Now we have two experiments with balloon and water. Now we want to make this goose fly up.
With a tissue and with some balloons. You can draw the tissue with a ghost or any type of you want. So first rub the balloon into your hair.
Now we want to make this goose fly by itself.
Sekarang kita mau bikin hantu ini terbang sendiri.
Scary. Don't know why the goat fly by itself. Because there's an electric magnet. After you grab the air to the balloon.
Kamu tahu kenapa hantunya bisa terbang?
Karena setelah kita menggosok balon ke rambut, ada magnet listrik statis. Jadi bisa membuat tisunya tertarik ke atas.
Yes! Now I continue next experiment with water. You need a plastic bag with a water inside, but don't fill it too full. We need a stick and a bowl in case our experiment failed.
Kita harus ada plastik sama air di dalam, tapi jangan terlalu penuh. Tongkat yang kecil tapi tajam, sama mangkok jaga kalau eksperimen kita gagal.
Now we start.
Sekarang kita mulai.
Plastiknya tidak pecah, tidak tumpah.
Because we poked it really carefully and the plastic has mermaid.
Kenapa plastiknya gak pecah? Karena kita tutup plastiknya pelan-pelan. Dan plastiknya ada sekelas polymer, jadi tidak pecah.
Yeah, Professor, we did it! Yeah, we did it!
We go back to the studio.
Sekarang kita ke studio lagi.
It's really sad. We need to leave.
But don't worry, we will come back with another topic. So bye-bye! Bye-bye!
Teacher keeps copying me when I'm dancing.
Then why don't you copy me? Why did you copy me?